What's up? So, welcome to The Advisor, and today in this video, we are going to create a new business manager from scratch and create a new business ad account, create a new business page, the domain verification, the main thing, the iOS 14.5 fix, pixel or conversion API integration with your Shopify store, as well as we are going to test all those events whether they are working correctly or not, and we are going to make a test purchase. So let's get started. Okay, so you need to start with this links. So first you need to visit the first link, that is business.facebook.com/overview. So in this tab, on the new tab, let's open up the business.facebook.com/overview, and then you have to click on this create account. Now you can name the account, the business name that you want to use, that business manager name, and the email address that you want to use with this business manager. So definitely Facebook is going to send one verification email on that email ID, so make sure to use your active email ID. Then let's start with the okay. And then all you need to just click on this submit button. Okay, now you just need to close this tab. We are not going to work on that. Open up your email ID that you have provided while creating that new business manager. Then you just need to search for that confirm your business email address from Facebook, and click on this confirm now button. So first you need to verify your business manager with your email ID. So that is the first task. Once you complete that task, then we are going to visit the second link here. So let me just copy that link, open up the new tab, let's open it, and let's see what we got here. So all those business manager that we are handling. So if you are a new user and just started with the Facebook, so definitely you do have only one business manager here. So click on it. Yeah, wait for the load here, of course. Okay, as you can see, this is the very new business manager that we have just created, and I'm the only user that is managing this business manager. So let's work step by step that how we are going to create and connect all those assets with this business manager. So let's start with the pages. If you haven't created business page for your Shopify store, then you need to create a new page. Else you can directly, if you already have created, then you can add a page directly. So that is up to you whether you have created or not. So in this case, since it's very new store, let me create a new business page here, and I am going with the brand or product. The page name will be the same that reflects my brand, and category I'm just choosing as brand only, not other than this. So let's create that. Okay, great. So we have managed to create a one business page for our Shopify store. Now it's time to create one ad account for it. Okay, so let's go to that ad account. Let's create a new one. The name of your account, that export ad account. You need to select the correct time zone and the currency. Since I am living in India, so let me just select the INR. Let's Click on that next. We have to select this for my business. We are creating for our business only, so let's create it. Okay, once created, you will have this pop-up window. You need to select the admin that you want to assign all those permission and click on this manage ad account and just click the assign. Now Facebook is asking to assign the payment info, so definitely we have to assign the payment info in order to start running advertisement with Facebook. So yeah, just click on it. Okay, so the country and the currency, time zone, we are not changing anything, let it be as it is. Let's go next. Okay, so they are asking business and tax info. Definitely I suggest to provide all of your business info and tax info if you do have. It helps you to generate invoices for your business and the payment method. So just do not worry about this. Just click on that next. Yeah, name on the card, and you can choose any card here. So let me just select that. Yeah. Okay, all you need to just click on these two buttons. Let's click on save. Wait for it. Facebook dashboard is overwhelming for end users, so that is why I am here to walk you through step-by-step guide that how we are going to connect or create a business manager very easily and connect with your Shopify store. Now they were asking the OTP, so yeah, let me just grab my phone. Yeah, it's the new S22 Ultra. So just if you are curious, it's at S22 Ultra. I just bought from Samsung store, and yeah, I do receive that OTP. Just wait for it. 5 4. Yeah, it's verify now. Yes, they were clearly saying that we have managed to add the card details. Then you need to provide your proper state, save it. Sure. So we have managed to create one business ad account for our Shopify store, and now it's time to verify the domain with the Facebook Business Manager. So all we need to just click on this brand safety. Under brand safety we can find these domains. Let's add it, and in this case we are going to verify this domain. So let's copy it, paste it here, and we need to remove any HTTPS and / part. So we have to verify only main domain. It's not that we have to verify the subdomain. If we manage to verify the main domain, we can promote the subdomain with the Facebook. So no need to verify subdomain segment. Let's click on this add, and after adding that, you can find that there are 3 methods. But in my experience, the DNS text method works best, and it's very much faster compared to the other methods. So if the other methods are not working, so it's better to just switch with this DNS method only. So let me just copy this code, and we have to edit the DNS from your domain registrar. So in this case, I have purchased this domain from GoDaddy. So this is the domain, and all I need to click on this DNS in order to make changes to its DNS file. And yeah, these are all the settings that we got. All we need to just click on this add. Now from the option, we need to select the txt file. So that is the file, and here the name remains the ad. Make sure to keep it as ad, and here the paste the code that you got from business manager. Click on this add. Yeah, DNS record has been successfully updated. Let's go back here. Click on this verify. Okay, so finally we have managed to verify the domain with the Facebook. Then click on this connected assets, click on this add assets, and just click on this classic pages and connect your business page with this domain. Okay, great. Now let's create a pixel and connect with your Shopify store. So all you need to just go to this data sources, click on this pixels, click on this add new pixel. This will be the pixel name, any name that you can use. Click on this continue. From these two settings, all you need to just click on this continue managing my business, and from this setting just click on this add people, select yourself and give the full permission. Okay, and from the connected asset, click on this connected asset, click the add assets, then connect this pixel with your ad account that we just recently created. Okay, so currently it's saying that it's not active yet, the pixel is not active, so it's time to make it active with our Shopify store. Now let's go to your Shopify store, click on this Facebook, the sales channel. If you are not able to find the sales channel, then let me give you the alternative that where you can find that sales channel, Facebook sales channel. Let me just first update it. These are the settings that you go when you try to click on that Facebook sales channel. If you are not able to find that Facebook sales channel, then click on this online store, then the preference, from here you can find that Facebook pixel. All you need to just click on this setup Facebook, and then Shopify helps you to have that Facebook sales channel here. And let me just open up its main dashboard. This is how it looks when you click on this Facebook sales channel. From here you need to click on this, just check for this Facebook marketing, click on this continue setup. First you need to connect the Facebook account. Let's click on this, then the password that is of your account. Let me just put it very quickly. Just wait for it. Yeah, so let me update it, and yeah, continue as your profile name. Just click on the continue. From all this business manager you have to select the correct one. So recently we have just created this business account, so let me just click on this connect next to the name. From this just see that domain verification, it was already there. Now it is saying that which ad account we want to use. So we are going to use or connect your business ad account. So let's click on this connect, and now you end up with this two thing, and click on this link still, and just accept this terms, the weird terms of Facebook. Of course we'll talk about all those terms, that how Facebook has the weird kind of terms that they are not following their policy, and every time we just end up with the ad account block or random kind of rejection. And now we need to connect the Facebook page. So just select the correct page, business page that we have just created for our Shopify store. In this case, this is the page. The data source is, let me just copy it again. This is how it works for Facebook. Okay, no worries. So from this targeted country, let's say I'm targeting the United States. Yeah, just accept all this their terms, their weird terms, of course. Just click on the finish. So it's saying that we have managed to connect the Facebook marketing with the Shopify. Just click on this close button, and here you can see that Facebook marketing is active. Some of my clients were asking whether they need to have that Facebook shop or Instagram shopping or not. So it depends on your country, in which country you are living. So if you are from US, definitely you have the option to create Facebook shop as well as Instagram shopping. But in some of the countries it's not possible. Let's say in India, that we can't create the Facebook shop or Instagram shopping, and also you end up with some kind of random rejection from Facebook, that they reject your Facebook commerce account. So do not worry about all those things. All you need to just connect the Facebook marketing, and it should be, or it must be active. And in order to check whether it's connected properly, just click on the settings. This is the account, this is your personal account, and it's connected with this business manager. It's showing that the domain verified, connected with the correct page. And if you go to this data sharing setting, here you can find that the pixel is connected, the ID, and from these three settings I definitely suggest to go with the enhancement. It has the conversion API, and it can fair enough data, not the all, but if you go with the maximum, you end up with the random kind of error on your pixel, so that we don't want. So definitely you just need to stick with the enhance mode. Click on this confirm and make sure it's connected. Okay, so now it's part of, we need to activate that pixel. So we need to do some random activity on our store. Let me open up the store. Let's say this is the store, and we need to do random activity in order to verify that or activate that pixel. Let's click on this random pages, the contact us, all those pages. Okay, and if you want to activate the pixel fastly, all you need to just copy any URL from your store, then open the new incognito window, paste it, and it is going to activate your pixel very fast. Just see that it is saying that Facebook, this pixel is connected. This is the pixel ID. The last 4 digits here is the 1408. Okay, so this is how it works. And now let's back to the Facebook Business Manager. Earlier it was showing the red dot. Let's just refresh this. Now it's showing that it's active. So the pixel is getting data from your store. Now it's time to do the iOS 14.5 fix. So up to this point, we have created new business manager from scratch, the new business ad account, the third thing, the business page, the domain verification. Now it's part of the iOS 14.5 fix. Let's switch back to this, the window that we are working. Click on this, open in Events Manager. As you can see that they were saying that we have to do some changes and assign some web event to make it complies with new Apple's iOS 14 changes. So click on this aggregated event management here, the other tab, and click on this configure web events. Search for your domain, and it must be verified because we have already verified your domain. Now click on this manage events, click on this edit, and from this menu let's configure it for the Shopify store, that which events that we have to verify in order to promote Shopify store with the page. So let me add 5 different events, and from this menu we need to select the correct pixel. Let's select all those pixels, the same pixel, and from the event let's start with the purchase, since it's the highest priority that we want on our store. So since we are selling online, then the add payment info, then comes to the initiate checkout, add to cart, view content, and also we can add the search, anybody searching on your store. Yeah, so these are the 6 events there. Those are the very much important for the Shopify store. Let me just drag this aside. Let's click on this, apply, yeah, and click on this yes, confirm this changes, apply. Here we go. Yeah, if you just click on it, you will see this, all those events that is connected with your domain. Just go back from this here, just refresh it. Now there will be no error on your Facebook pixel. It is saying that all the settings are correct. So we have managed to fix for that iOS 14.5 fix, and the pixel or the conversion API was connected with the Facebook official app for Shopify. Now it's part to test whether all those events were working correctly or not. So click on this new tab, search for that Facebook pixel help, and just go with this Chrome, since we are using Chrome browser. And if you are not using the Chrome, or if you are the Safari user, I definitely suggest to switch or have that Chrome browser additionally with your Safari in order to test all those events, since you can't assign the Facebook pixel helper on your Safari. So all you need to just click on this add extension, add it. So it's saying that it's added. Click on this plugin icon, this one. Now click on this small pin icon, so it will be always there on your plugin list, and from that icon just right click over it and click on this manage extension. Here you can find that there is one option, allow in incognito mode, so all you need to just enable that. Once you enable that, click on this three dot menu, open the new incognito window. Let's open up our store. So this is the store, and this is how your end user is going to see this website, since this is the incognito or the guest, and here you can test all those events. So if they try to visit your home page, this is the main event that is working, and the pixel ID as well as the pixel name. Let's minimize this. We are going to make one test purchase. So in order to make a test purchase on our store, let's create one coupon code. So all we need to just go to this discounts, click on this create discount, the discount code. Yeah, the code name will be the test 100, and it's the percentage we are offering 100% off, so that we can make a test purchase. And pretty much it, limit to one use per customer. So yeah, just click on this save. So this coupon code has been active now. Let's go back to our incognito mode that we were working. So this is our store. Let's click on this shop now and visit the test product. Yeah, so if user try to visit the product page, just see this, Facebook is able to track them as view content. Now click on this add to cart. Let's see, you see the add to cart is working. Now let's check out. Let's try to check out. So here all we need to just fill out this random details. Of course, let me just put all these details quickly. Click on this complete payment. Okay, now we are on the payment page. On this discount field, we are assigning the code test 100. Click on this apply. You can see that it has provided the 100% off, and now we can easily click on this. Let's see whether Facebook has recorded this purchase or not. So here it is showing that we have created the one order, that is the order ID, and it's the order status page. Click on this Facebook pixel helper, and here you can find that it has recorded the purchase. Yeah, and the value, that how much value, since we have provided 100% off, it has recorded 0 value, the number of items, currency. In this case we are using the euro as our currency, as well as the, if you click on this pixel location, here you can find that it has captured this order status page URL, this URL. So it's clear that the pixel and all those events were working correctly. Now let me just share one very inside tip, that if you find that your pixel is not triggered, that how to resolve it. Because I have seen that in most of the Europe countries, if you try to promote in Europe countries, you end up with that Facebook is not able to track those events. So that is the main case, that you need to go to this online store, click on this preferences, and you need to check this settings, the customer privacy. Here it's deactivated, but definitely if you are planning to promote in EU region, so you have to activate this. And once you activate this, you will have that cookie banner. So once your user accept that banner or accept that cookie, then and then Facebook is able to track all those events. So that you have to keep uh, this in your mind while promoting the in EU region. The other thing, same thing with the California. So that happens with the California. Yeah, if you try to promote in California region. So this is the setting that you have to check if you are promoting in this region. So make sure to deactivate and check the pixel whether it's working correctly, and then reactivate again. So let's go back. So from the very start and making a purchase, all tasks we have covered up in this session. Once we are done all this setting, how to easily navigate to your ads manager and create your first campaign. So this is the URL that you have to visit, facebook.com/ads manager. Let me open up here. When we try to open it, just see that this is how it looks when you open up your ad account for the first time. And make sure to click on this no button, since we are not promoting any political related advertisement. As well as just see that Facebook has recently removed some of the detailed targeting, so yeah, you can just ignore this message. And let's create a test campaign and see whether Facebook is showing some error or not. So all we need to just click on this create. Here they were saying that account info needed, so let's click on it. And here we need to just confirm this page that we want to promote. Now all has been done. Let's create a new campaign. So let's click on it, create, then click on this sales, since we are selling products online. Then click continue. Then here they are offering two options, so we need to go with the manual sales campaign only, so that we do have the full control over our advertisement. So select the menu, click continue. And now you can rename the campaign that you want. So let's start with the test product. No need to mention any category, no need to go with the campaign budget optimization. Let's click on the next. Here we need to select the correct pixel, and in our case the pixel was already selected, that recently created pixel. Then choose the event. Since we are selling products online on our Shopify store, we need to select the purchase event. Then you can play with the budget as well as the targeting and the placement. This is just I'm walk you through that whether we are getting any errors or not, so we are not messing up with all those settings. Let's go to our ad level. Here from this we need to select this single image or video. Turn off this dynamic formats and creatives if it's enabled. Then make sure it has the primary text headline and like this. All they were asking for the website URL. Copy from this, paste it. Okay, so as you can see that on this ad account there is no error, and if we hit the publish button, this advertisement will be live. And all those events here you can see that it's connected with your domain. So we have managed to create a business manager. Okay, so let me know in the comment that whether you want to see this kind of video for a WooCommerce store, or maybe ClickFunnels, or any other custom landing page you have, how to integrate the pixel with that, as well as do the iOS 14.5 fix. as well as how to test all those events. um, the thing is that most of the time Facebook is offering their official app. Via that integration you can easily connect Facebook pixel with most of their partners website. But if some of the website is not supporting the Facebook integration, the official integration, how we can assign the pixel? That is the manual integration that we have to do with the Facebook code, that pixel code. So I can guide you as well on that. So that depends on whether you want to have those kind of video. Let me know in this comment and we are going to see all those kind of videos as well. So see you very soon on our next video. Till then, have a great day. See you then. Bye.